Hello everyone, this is my new asset. There is OnePlus 6 smartphone. This is the speed that you need. It is a mirror black version with 128 GB of ROM and 8 GB of RAM. And yes, this is the customer care number. Let's unbox it now. Okay, let's unbox it. Wow, this look amazing. This is the mirror black version. Okay, this look amazing, beautiful. Let's see what is there inside the box. Here it is, the dash charger and type C cable for charging. There is nothing inside, and let's see what is there inside this box. Here you will find the back cover and SIM card ejector. This is the manual for OnePlus 6. And this sticker of OnePlus 6 never settled. This is again safety information manual, and this is the SIM card ejector. Okay, that's it. The phone look amazing, beautiful. Wow, this is so beautiful. Okay, here you will find on the left side volume rocker, and there is the SIM card tray. On the right side there is the power button, and there is one more button for vibration mode, silent mode, to change the mode actually. On the back side you will find the fingerprint scanner. There is the OnePlus logo and dual camera setup. On the lower side you will find one speaker. Okay, thank you for watching.